Alright, so now we're into sections. I got things set, and we're getting into sections. So I'm really just dividing the car up into we got the engine, transmission, driveline, and we got the interior of the car, which still needs to get put together. So what we're going to concentrate on, well, first, that unholy mess right there, we're going to clean that up, and we got to find a way. We're going to get the engine in. So the plan is, what I want to do is I want to, like I'm at a drag and drive, I want to install the transmission on the ground and not as a whole. Not as engine, transmission, combo, boom, done. Now, I want to see what it takes to get it in and out, make sure everything's good, and how long it takes, because, well, it seems like you tend to replace a lot of transmissions on drag and drives. So we got our engine mounts, engine side, body side. They might be a little high, I don't know, but we're gonna have to, and this is gonna be the final time it goes in, and then once this is in, then we can move into there and get it all together. Let's get to it. Boy, I am in the worst possible spot for this. God dang it. I can't. Oh my God. Ow! Oh, that was right in the funny bone. Tips adjusting the old GoPro here. This thing, I don't know how I lost a battery. I lost a battery. I bought a kit with 2 batteries. Where's the other battery? I don't know. So I gotta tell you, that makes filming really hard when you gotta, stop and charge, stop and charge, stop and charge. Good thing I have a phone. So back to it. Okay, as you see, one of the problems I had, but I was also doing the engine and transmission at the same time. One of the problems was the distributor coming up and hit. Now, eventually, I do want to go to coil unplug, just not right this second. I have everything to get it running. Probably before April 27th is when local racetrack has test and tunes. So before that, I'll probably switch over to coil unplug and just maybe, come up with something cool to mount the coil packs right there. Alrighty, clean up and let's keep moving. But as you can see, I tucked it back up a little more, because obviously that's as far as it's going to go back unless I order a custom windshield. I don't foresee that happening though. So we tucked it back in, should be able to go good, and we'll go from there. Yahoo! In the age of small, tiny little lights, I still got this big thing. Whatever. Oh, like, what's stopping on? The car. We gotta hook it back. That's where I wanted it. Dropped in. So, as you can see that, it's all in. I just gotta go find my bolt that's not quite lined up there, but it's fine. It's lined up on the other side. It's gotta be pushed back just a little bit more. So, but that's where it is. So now, all the fun stuff can begin. Till the next video, folks. Thanks for watching.